Konnichiwa minasan. Today we are going on a little urban adventure right here in the heart of Tokyo. We are going to explore one of my favorite streets in all of the world, Marunouchi Naka-Dori. We are starting right outside the iconic Tokyo Station building, specifically the Marunouchi side. Just look at this grand red brick building. It's such a magnificent piece of architecture, a true blend of history and modernity. So, as I was saying, Marunouchi is known as Tokyo's business and financial district, but it's so much more than just skyscrapers. It's incredibly well designed with wide boulevards, public art, and lots of green spaces, making it a really pleasant area to walk in. Even though it's a bustling area, as you can see, but there's a sense of calm. You'll often find interesting art installations tucked away, and during certain seasons, the trees are absolutely gorgeous. In autumn, for example, the ginkgo trees turn a brilliant gold. So, we are slowly making our way towards our main destination, Naka-Dori Street, and as we get closer, you'll start to feel the atmosphere shift slightly. It becomes even more pedestrian friendly and feels a bit more like an open air gallery, at least to me. So, yes, we are here at the traffic lights, and you can again have a glimpse of the magnificent Tokyo Station building. From the traffic light, we just go straight, and this exactly is the place where we'll take left turn. This is the start of our walking tour today. It's a pedestrian zone, so cars are not allowed and no vehicles are allowed. And the romantics among you will be happy to know that on this street you'll see a lot of newly married couples getting photographed and videographed for their wedding album. So that's an added bonus if you get to see one of those couples. Here we are at Marunouchi Naka-Dori. We'll stop from time to time to look at the art installations on both sides of the street. So let's start. And that's our first piece of art on the street. And we have on the display a house and a bunch of trees and then some big tall buildings. The sculptor is Funakoshi Katsura, and it's titled I Fly Above the City. Now this is a no smoking zone, so please be careful because the penalty is very high, usually around between 3,000 to 5,000 yen. And that brings us to our next art installation in Naka-Dori. It's a collection of translucent candle-like material things. It's from Iwata Ruri and looks like the cylindrical translucent things have been broken and it has no name, it's just a collection. But look at these food trucks. These are beautiful, beautiful food trucks. So basically they call it urban terrace, and it's a pedestrian area from 11 to 3 p.m. during the weekdays and 11 to 5 p.m. during the weekends. We are in front of the Peninsula Hotel, and so technically it's the end of Naka-Dori Street. But I'm gonna continue a little bit more, like 200 meters more, until Imperial Hotel Tokyo, and you will see why. So let's continue. And after you cross the street, you'll come to this place. It's an urban space created for people to just chill, and you can see students and business people and tourists alike relaxing and sitting on these long seats. So this area is called Tokyo Midtown Hibiya. They have this beautiful, very well paved, very nicely constructed walkway. It looks like an urban jungle. It says Lexus meets Hibiya, so maybe it's in collaboration with Lexus because we have the Lexus showroom here on this side. It's a very beautiful place, and it's very rare in Tokyo to find this kind of sitting place outside of parks, so that's very unique. Again, no smoking. We'll pass by Toho Cinemas, which has 13 screens, and this is the theater area. It's called Tokyo Takarazuka Theater. This is the end of one side of street walk. I wanted to take you along. And this lady's statue, this is a young lady holding her hair in a very youthful, playful way. This marks the end of one side of the street. Now in front of us is the Imperial Hotel Tokyo. In the next part, part 2, we'll start our journey from here and we'll go back to the starting point. We'll see what's on the other side of the same street. I hope you enjoyed it. Please do subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one in part 2. Until then, keep discovering.